Hello and welcome to this first lecture on the overview of this course, Master in Business Analytics. So, this section we will give you an overview of the business analytics, and we will begin by talking about what is business analytics in this lecture, right? So, what do you think is business analytics? Any thoughts? Anything that you have heard, you have gotten? So, what is business analytics? So, business analytics refers to the practice of using data, statistical analysis, and advanced technologies. Three things, right? To analyze business information and extract meaningful insights and actionable insights that drive strategic decision making. So, it's about using data, statistical analysis, and advanced technology, right? Now, what does it include? It combines the elements of data analysis, predictive modeling, and data visualization. And that helps organizations understand past performance, predict future trends, and optimize business processes. So that is what one definition mostly used is for business analytics. So what are the key components of business analytics? So basically, there are three components as you see here: descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. You could include diagnostic in between descriptive and predictive as well. But let's take a look at each of these. Now, descriptive analytics focuses on understanding past performances and trends. Something has happened in the past, and you use the data to understand that. Example, monthly sales reports or customer demographic summaries. And the tools that you use there are Excel, Tableau, and Power BI. The predictive analytics, on the other hand, uses historical data and statistic techniques to forecast future outcomes. So you get into prediction, right? And examples of that are like predicting customer churn or sales during the holiday season. And there, the tools that I use are Python and R, machine learning frameworks. So these are a variety of machine learning frameworks that you can use. And the third one, which is the prescriptive analytics, in which you recommend actions based on your predictive insights to optimize the outcomes. And it could be like suggesting pricing strategies to maximize profit. And there, the tools that I use are optimization softwares and decision modeling tools. So these are the key components of business analytics. So why is business analytics important, right? So first thing, it enables businesses to base decisions on factual data rather than only intuition. Intuition is good, but you need to have data to back up your intuition. Otherwise, your intuition is wrong, and you need to learn how to do better intuitions, right? So data-driven decision is one of the key reasons. Second thing it does is identify inefficiencies in processes and offer ways to optimize them. And that's how it improves the efficiency of the business and the business processes. Then it analyzes customer behavior to improve services and product by enhanced customer understanding. And it gives you a competitive advantage by helping you anticipate market trends and stay ahead of the competitors. So that is why the business analytics is important. Where can you apply? Who all apply the business analytics? Or where all can you apply business analytics? It is applied in marketing for segmenting customers, personalizing campaigns, and measuring ROIs. So three core applications as you see here. Also in finance, it is used for managing risk, detecting frauds, and forecasting financial data. In operations, it is used to optimize supply chain, manage inventories, and improve processes. And in HR, it is used for plan the workforce to analyze the employee's performance and formulate retention strategies. So these are some of the core applications of business analytics. So what are the key tools and techniques used that you can use? And we mentioned some of them earlier, right? So the key tools are Tableau, Power BI, SQL, Python, R, SAS, and Excel. And the techniques that you use are like data mining, statistical analysis, machine learning, and data visualization. So these are the key tools and techniques, and they keep evolving from time to time. So keep up with them. So who uses business analytics? Now these are professionals across industry, and they include data analysts, business intelligence specialist, operations manager, and marketing and sales analyst. So these are some of the key users of business analytics. So in a sense, business analytics is a bridge between raw data and strategic decisions, and that empowers businesses to operate more intelligently and efficiently in the data driven world. When the world was not so much data driven, you could do without the business analytics by using your intuition honed over years of observing data again. But there wasn't such tools that you can use. You had to rely on your experience of years together to make those intuitions. So today it is there is a lot of data. So it's between the raw data and strategic decisions that you need to make. It is the bridge between that, and it helps you make operate more intelligently and efficiently in this data-driven world. So what do we do next? So having looked at the core definition of business analytics, another commonly used word is business analysis. So what is the difference? Obviously, they are not same, and you will see there is a significant difference between business analytics and business analysis. So let's take a look at what are the differences between business analytics and business analysis in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching the first overview lecture in this course, Master in Business Analytics. I hope you are beginning to learn new things, beginning to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.